a site, static cone penetration test was carried out. It is simply called as CPT. CPT test was carried out. The measured point resistance it is also called as tip resistance QC. Okay, QC suffix C was 1000 kPa at a certain depth. The friction ratio which is denoted by FR was estimated as 1% at the same depth, at that point of depth. The value of sleeve or side friction, this is denoted by Fs, S is side or sleeve friction in kPa at that depth was. Okay, so first we should know how does the CPT instrument looks like. There is a cylinder attached by cone. Okay, there is a sharp tip, so it is penetrated into the soil. It is a quasi static test. It is penetrated, like you can take static cone penetration, that's why I am saying it is continuously going to be penetrated. Then the resistance from the soil will come at this tip and also in these sleeves, because it is nothing but a pile. You can say pile has a bearing resistance as well as the frictional resistance due to the surface friction. So here sleeve friction will come, here tip resistance will come. Okay, QT or QC. Okay, now the total resistance will be QC plus Fs. Total resistance will be taken like this. Now what is given? Given is QC equal to 1000 kPa and friction ratio is given as 1%. 1% is nothing but 1 by 100. It is given 1 by 100, right? So you should know the definition of friction ratio coming to the CPT test. What is friction ratio? Friction ratio is defined as ratio of frictional resistance or sleeve friction to tip resistance. Now we can write Fs by QC equal to 1 by 100, because Fr is given as 1%. So Fs equal to QC by 100, whereas QC is given as 1000 by 100. So Fs is how much? Fs is 10 kPa. So it comes under site investigation because this test, these are in situ tests. You might have heard SPT test, standard penetration test. This is also field test. So these tests are done to find out the strength parameters of the soil. So by using these are the parameters which we get directly from the test. Then using this QC and Fs and Fr, we are going to find out the shear strength parameters. Those are cohesion and friction. So anyway, so this comes under site investigation part of the soil. Then the answer is Fs is 10 kPa. Thank you.